Welcome back. After 2 years of negotiations, Covington and unions representing police, fire, and other city employees have agreed on contracts.
Now, each side is giving up something that will save Covington millions of dollars. 9 News reporter Jay Warren live in Covington tonight to break down the deal and just how dire the situation would have been without it. Jay?
Well, that's right, Brendan. Could have been layoffs. That's what we're hearing from sources, that layoffs were definitely on the table of the city manager's office if agreements couldn't be reached to save Covington money. The city is facing a $20 million deficit over the next several years, and today's deal cuts that in half. Both sides gave up something to make it happen. Standing together, Covington's mayor and union leaders announced their agreement to the public. Salaries for cops, firefighters, and other city workers will go up, while health care costs for the city will go down.
Collectively, we believe the impact of reducing our health care costs is well offset by the increase in salaries, that this will save the city about $10 million.
On the streets downtown, people believe safety is maintained since layoffs were avoided.
Because if you lay them off, we're not going to have enough of them to go around. And then you know what you have. So crime goes up.
We visited the Down Under restaurant and tavern this afternoon and spoke to bartender Mary Kumler. She thinks the concessions help both sides.
You know, maybe that them having to share some of the health care is to their benefit because they stay working and they do get their raises.
We had been working on this for quite some time, and the mayor became involved in this process and allowed it to move forward in a way that it hadn't prior to that point.
We didn't always agree on every point, but we did it respectfully and considering each other's position. And I think they recognized the challenges that the city was facing. And frankly, you know, were it not for these changes and these concessions, we would be facing a very different future.
Now, the mayor also says that the decision to eliminate emergency dispatch services here in the city and actually have Kenton County do it will save the city of Covington about $5 million. That still leaves $5 million for the city to cut. Brendan?
Jay Warren reporting live in Covington. Thanks.